DIY project. So in some of my videos you would have seen my collection of lip products. So there's quite a few, and I really struggle to get the perfect colour that I want because I'm sitting here swatching them all because they don't all necessarily have like a clear see-through colour. They can go on like sheer or darker. So I decided to make a chart so that I can choose the products that I wanted. So if you want to see how I do this, make sure you keep watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you want to see how I did this look, I will link it above. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, so to do this project, all you need is some cardboard or paper, a stamp of some sort, your lipsticks or liquid lips, and then some baby wipes. So I was able to get the stamp in two parts. I was able to get the base and then the lips separately, and I was just able to grab them for a few dollars off of eBay, and then just pop the lips on the base of the stamp so I had some control over it. And the cardboard, I just picked up 5 sheets for about $5 from Officeworks, and I had the baby wipes already. So what I'm doing is I've got the lips on the stamp, and I'm just using each of my lipsticks to colour in the lips and then pressing down on it hard onto the cardboard just so I can get the perfect lip stamp. And then in between each stamp I am using the baby wipes to clean all the lipstick off, and I'm just pressing it on some paper just to make sure that all that colour is off so it doesn't disrupt the next colour that's going on. So I just sat here and I did this with all of my lipsticks and all of my liquid lips. I didn't bother doing my lip glosses because they are too sheer. And then just underneath each of the lip stamps, I'm just placing the brand name and then the product name as well, just so then I can reference back to it when I choose from my poster. Okay, so I finished all the stamps now, so I decided to do a separate sheet for my lipsticks and a separate one for my liquid lipsticks, just so I knew which one I was getting. And then what I did was I let them dry overnight, and the next morning I just popped them near the door and I used some hairspray and sprayed it on top just to protect them, as some of them were still quite wet. So as you can see in this video, a few of them did bleed a little bit, but it didn't disrupt the colour, so I'm fine with the little bit of bleeding. And here they are at the finished product in my office on my wall, ready for me to choose for each day I do my makeup now. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!